today is Assam is crying that because of your faulty policy of welcoming foreigners, welcoming Bangladeshi immigrants to the state of Assam. So you have not done anything. Do not take credit for Assam Accord, because through Assam Accord, if something is sought to be undone, then it was only your creation. You have opened the floodgates of Bengali Muslim migrants to the Assam. You have not done anything. This accord could have been signed in 79 itself. 900 people should not have been martyred for this accord. There could have been much better deal at very beginning if you had any sympathy for the state of Assam. This conflict arising out of the entire situation in the northeast, I want to blame that this is the entirely creation of the Congress party. Today, BJP is trying to give healing touch, various border accords, various accord with various insurgent groups are result of this continuous healing touch. But Congress has created a war zone in the northeast in last 75 years. It cannot be dosed off by one or two years of policy. It needs continuous healing touch. Today, Congress is talking about Manipur in Parliament, not out of love for Manipur. When Manipur was burning in 2014, prior to 2014, 2012, when diesel price went up to 300 rupees, did anybody from Congress party visited Manipur? When people were getting killed in Manipur during that point of time, did any Congress Prime Minister visited state of Manipur? So these are false narratives today they want to create. When 1100 people got killed in 1993 in Manipur, no Congress Prime Minister visited Manipur. So these are all wrong policy. Today one of their leader, he went to there for 4 hours or one night, become expert of the Manipur. A so-called I full stop, N full stop, D full stop, I full stop, A full stop delegation went to Manipur and become expert overnight. That why incident happening since 1990? Is the incident has started during BJP region? No. BJP is bearing the legacy of the wrong policy of the Congress party. There are several issues. Now knowing that this should be undone, you cannot undone because of the complication created for last 75 years. Today, Assam is crying, but yet I cannot throw out the immigrants from here because you have put the condition of 1971, etc. You have put various conditions. You have created a situation where even if with the best possible intention, you cannot resolve. Today, when the Bangladeshi immigrants, whatever may be the cutoff year, when they become almost a crore population, can I throw them out? Today, I cannot throw them out because you have created a situation that Assamese people will become minority. Nobody can undo it. You have created such a situation for the state, for the northeastern region in last 75 years. Today we know what is the problem, but we don't have solution because you have created certain position, certain situation through your rule in last 60, 65 years that many things now we cannot undo.